Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka National Service Scheme Northeast Youth Festival Arhaja Apusan kabalapanya da ka Union Christian College Umyam Kwan menta kasi kala Pynhap Pyrda no hadin sansngi ka jing rakhe ki jingkren bat ka jingkala ha ka culture barwa halor kawai kapang one Northeast one spirit ya kani ka Tamasa laple Pyrda ha ka pratrik unaitung ha Christopher Singh Auditorium kabalayadon bentalang da umintri katanat kapule puthi ka sarkar jilla urakam e sangma UNSS State Nodal Officer Uba F Rumnong UNSS Regional Youth Officer UNC Diore U Principal ketika School Ba U Dr. RM Mani but U Additional Deputy Commissioner Karibhoy District Uba Jonathan Shalla ha ketika sedang lapin kutno daga cultural program ha kabaki kena puli ketika School Ba na kelengkathan kilapan Ïaki culture pating lingba kajing rai bat kajing shat kani kajing rakhe kabasan sngi lenter karalong kum karensan banya sam jing tip ban pen pawai ka culture ban pen kopbor bat kajing etli hakathan kat baki nong 3 months ngobha kidang wan phai biang shala ki jong ki jilla kalara shakhamat kajing long jong ka National Service Scheme kajing shakri kajing pen bedenti bat kajing etli jong kari da kajing IT ka bathamai ha ka bate yak imlang salang bat kajing etrelang bat kisamla.
This is my body here right now at UCC. Yes, and this is the Northeast NSS Festival 2025. I'm with a bunch of great minds, ignited people, young students who are here to be part of this fest. And we have a message for the world. One Northeast, one spirit. One more time. One Northeast, one spirit. God bless you all.